Good morning, Year 3, and welcome to today's writing lesson. So, the first job that I want you to do is write the date and learning objective in your book. So, today is Monday, the 18th of January, and your learning objective is to identify features of a persuasive brochure. So, you're going to need your purple book, a pencil, a ruler, and then if you could find these sheets out of your home learning pack, they are photocopied in green paper. So please pause the video now whilst you get your bits and pieces together. Now you have done that, we are going to read through the brochure that is titled Budapest. So these tourist brochures, they are usually folded up, so you can see the black lines along the sheets of papers. They are usually folded, so the front cover would actually be the text on the right hand side. So we would start with the place name, which is Budapest. So I will start reading now, you can read along with me. Budapest is the capital of Hungary in the heart of Europe. Come and visit this diamond to experience the kindness of Hungarian people and to enjoy the food and wine of the region. I'm going to go to the left now because I can't read the middle bit of the leaflet without deleting what I've just read, so I'll go to the next part. So, are you hungry yet? You must try the traditional Hungarian food. Everyone's favourite is stuffed cabbage with soft sour cream and the most famous delicious Hungarian bread. Would you fancy that? Stuffed cabbage? Maybe. And what is for dessert? The brilliant and mouth-watering gundul pancakes filled with walnut cream and soaked in chocolate custard. Best choice ever. That sounds more like it. Let's read the next page. Entertaining attractions. Do you have small children? Why not go and visit the Budapest Zoo and Theme Park, which is one of the most amazing zoos in Europe, with more than 1,000 different species, from polar bears to crocodiles and tigers. Or have a ride in the theme park on the Ferris wheels and enjoy the breathtaking views of the city below. Sorry, that's my cat in the background. Beautiful nature. Budapest is surrounded by hills and forests. Another family-friendly program is to have a day trip out to Liberty Mountain, where you can take the cogwheel train up the steep mountain tracks, which is a brilliant experience, and then travel on the century-old children's steam train where the controllers are children. At the final destination, you can take the chairlift down to the valley. Don't forget your camera. You will take the most amazing photos. Now we are going to spot the features of this text. Okay, so you've got the leaflet in front of you now. So we're going to go through and have a look at the features and decide what makes this a brochure, what makes this a tourist brochure, okay? Because we want people to come and visit this place. So this brochure is trying to persuade, trying to make people visit this city. So let's have a look at the features then. So in pink we have got clear presentation. So can you see how this leaflet is set out? So we've got headings. What is the heading of the text? Can you spot that now? The heading is Budapest. So you would underline Budapest in pink if you've got pink, that is. Next, can you spot any subheadings in the text? So have a look through. What's a subheading? Let me give you an example. So we've got beautiful nature. That is a subheading in the text. Can you spot any more? And then finally, it is set out in small paragraphs. That is how the text is set out. Next we'll move on to present tense. So this is in orange, okay? So we're looking at the verbs, the doing or being words that are happening right now, okay, in orange. So let's have a read through. So we've got words like visit, enjoy, okay? We have got verbs, present tense verbs. So you can underline any more that you can spot. Next, in green, we have got personal pronouns. We, you, us. They are personal pronouns. So these words are being used in the text because we're trying to get the person to come and visit this place. We would say, you must come here. You will enjoy it. Come and visit us. We want to see you. So you can go through the text now and underline any personal pronouns. So we, you, or us in green. If you've got green there, you can underline those. And then finally, we have got rhetorical questions in blue. So these are rhetorical questions. So these are questions that don't require an answer. So have a think about what piece of punctuation would be at the end of a rhetorical question, because that's going to give you a big clue about what to underline in the text. You're right, it's a question mark, so you need to underline the questions in the text in blue if you have got blue available. So you can complete this activity in one of two ways. You can complete it online, that's fine, and you can choose the colours and underline it online on Dojo, and then you can save it and hand it in. You can do it that way if you want to. Or you can draw a little key out in your book. You can get the colours that you have available, so it might not be pink, orange, green and blue. You might have different colours available, but you can draw a little key and you can write clear presentation, present tense, personal pronouns and rhetorical questions, and you can go through the text and find those out. And you can rewind the video, and we'll go through what we've just gone through again. So if you've got any problems at all, just let me know and I can talk you through it again.